Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian bulls determined to take the challenge higher. Now we did get to a high of 48 overnight, but the resistance is still holding at 71.55.65. It is assessed from there that the market will come back with heavy supply and look back towards the region of 70.75 and reassess from there, though do keep stops in place as I anticipate that there will be around 71.75 to 95. So no doubt the market will be looking to most probably try and take this level out today. Still, we do have the RBA minutes to come today. No doubt the market will be looking to see if there is any change in policy, but unlikely at this stage as it remains at 1.5%. The euro is pushing back to the top side of the range again after the recent rejection from 116.08 as the market is looking towards this resistance. Now I do expect to see stops be placed above 116.20 as a break above there would give further scope to the upside and bring in a target of 117.40. Overnight the retail sales missed its forecast of 0.7% and instead come in lower at 0.1%, with core retail sales missing a forecast of 0.4% and coming in at negative 1%. This has put a bit of a dampener on the US dollar index. Now a break beneath 94.40 would give further scope to the downside, and this would strengthen the euro case through 116.20. So do be on your guard today. The dollar yen case still bearish and looking down towards the region of 111.45. I do expect to see bulls to defend this region and most probably to see a recovery. My stop will be placed around 111.15 to 17 in case we do see a break and failing to support any bullish return. But the pound still a little bit mixed as it now comes towards the 17th of October decision on Brexit, with the 17th of October to finalise the November 17th of October decision, with the divorce seen in March 2019. From the recent rejection from 132.60 and an outside range day, I would like to see further confirmation to this pattern, but nevertheless the market is still bearish. We could still see the market fall towards the region of 130.25.45. Looking at the weekly chart, the gold has managed to post a high overnight of 1,233, which is a 3-month high. The market, since the break of 1,212, reached its target at 24 and now has scope towards 34 to 36 and reassess from there. Any pullback should find support around 1,218.20. On oil, tension lurks due to the Saudi Arabian tension that President Trump has accused them of the killing of the Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi, a columnist for the Washington Post, and also a Saudi royal insider turned critic. It is assessed that when he went into Istanbul consulate in Turkey, he disappeared, and but there is evidence from an iPhone watch. So his iPhone and watch stated that he may have been murdered. So Trump is on the case and pressuring Saudi to come clean, whether if this is the case or not. Oil could retest the level of 73.55.85, but it's unlikely to see any sustain there. A break of 69.80 would give further risk to the downside. But that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.